If you can't use your Venmo balance to pay, here's why. First, Venmo requires you to verify your identity before you can use the money in your account for payments. Without verification, you can only transfer your balance to your bank or debit card. You can't use it to pay directly. To check if you have access to your balance, open the Venmo app, go to the Me tab and tap the wallet toggle. If you see Venmo balance, you're good to go. If not, go to Settings and complete identity verification. Once verified, you can use your Venmo balance to send payments to others on Venmo, pay at authorized merchants, apps and websites, pay in stores with Venmo QR codes, or use the Venmo MasterCard debit card. Venmo doesn't split payments between your balance and another payment method. If your balance can fully cover the payment, Venmo will use it. If not, the full amount will be charged to your preferred payment method. If you had money and now it's missing, it could be because you used it for a payment. It covered a negative balance, you transferred it to your bank, or you spent it with your Venmo debit card. That's why you might not be able to use your Venmo balance to pay.